Did you know? Astronaut suits have a sneeze guard to prevent nasal fluids from floating in space. Space exploration presents unique challenges, and even bodily functions need to be considered. To address the issue of sneezing in space, astronaut suits are equipped with a sneeze guard. This plastic barrier prevents nasal fluids from floating freely and potentially causing contamination in the microgravity environment. While it may seem like an unusual addition, it is a necessary measure to maintain cleanliness and hygiene during space missions. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, be grateful for the protective measures in place for astronauts who are exploring the vastness of space.
Like and subscribe for more.